Hello, in this video I will show you how to use tags to organize questions, create a question bank, and manage related quizzes. To attach a tag to a question, select the question you want to tag, click the three dots, and choose Add Tags. You can either select tags that you already have or create a new one. To create a new tag, simply enter the tag name and click Add Tag. Once tags are added, they will appear above the question, allowing you to see which categories or topics are associated with it. Additionally, you can add tags to all questions in a quiz or delete tags from all questions. Let's add tags to all questions. Click on the button, type the name of our tags, and click Add Tag. The tag will automatically be added to all questions in the quiz. You can also filter questions in a quiz by tag by clicking Add Filter by Tag. This makes it easy to quickly find questions for a specific topic or categories. By using tags, you can easily create a structured question bank, save time searching for questions, and simplify reusing questions across different quizzes. I hope this helps, and good luck with your academies!